Hello children, how are you all? This is our maths class, and today in our maths class we will discuss the topic division. Okay, and in division, first of all we will discuss division as repeated subtraction. Okay children, so let's start. So children, here you can see a question, and the question is saying a frog is at 12. It jumps 3 units at a time towards the left. After 4 jumps, it reaches 0. How many times is 3 subtracted from 12? So children, we will understand the concept of this question by using the number line. Okay. So children, here we have a number line and it has number from 0 to 20. So according to the question, the frog is at the number 12 and it jumps 4 times and it reaches 0. Okay, and at a time the frog jumps 3 units. Okay children, so in this time it is at the 12 number. So after 12 we will count 3, 1, 2 and 3. So the frog jumps and it reaches at 9. Okay, right? And after that we will count the 3 more, 1, 2 and 3. Now the frog reaches at 6, right? Now once again 1, 2 and 3. So now it jumps and reaches at 3. Okay. Now after 3, 1, 2 and 3. So in its last jump the frog reaches at 0. Okay. The frog reaches at 0. So how many jumps it takes? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so the frog takes 4 jumps and reaches at 0. So by this method we can solve the division by the repeated subtraction. Okay children, and the question is asking it reaches 0. How many times is 3 subtracted from 12? So let's see how many times 3 subtracted. Here we can see we will subtract 3 from 12 and we get the number 9. So after 9 we will subtract the 3 and we get the number 6. And now we will subtract 3 from 6 and we get the number 3, and last we will subtract 3 from 3 and we get the number 0. So children, here you can easily find out the 3 is subtracted 1 time, 2 time, 3 and last 4. Okay, the 3 is subtracted 4 times, right? So children, this is called the division by repeated subtraction. Okay children, I hope you can understand the concept. Now here we have some questions and by using number line we can solve it. So in the first question you can see, with the help of number line fill in the placeholders. Here we have a number line and it has the number from 0 to 15, and the question is saying how many times has 5 been subtracted from 15? Okay, 15 divided by 5 and get the number 3. Okay, then we start from the 15 and we reaches at 10. Okay, we takes 5 units, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and after that we continue the same and we continue the same. So how many jumps we take? We take 3 jumps, right? The same as how many times has 2 been subtracted from 10. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, right? So we start from 10. Okay, and it takes 2 units and it reaches at 8, 1 and 2, and after that 1 and 2 and it reaches at 6, 1 and 2 and it reaches 4, 1 and 2 and it reaches 2, 1 and 2 and it reaches 0. So how many jumps it takes? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so here the answer will be 5, right? Understood? Okay, the same as we will do the other questions, right?